You think you know keyboards? Think again. This $10 keyboard destroyed my $300 custom build and my wallet's still crying. Wait till you see what it can do. Slam! Meme air horn. Alright, listen up. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, ranking the best mechanical keyboards of 2025. Quick warning, these picks might make your old keyboard rage quit. So why should you care? Mushy laptop keys, sad laptop keys, potato mash laptop keys. Mechanical keyboards aren't just for gamers. They're for anyone who types, codes, or wants to flex on Zoom calls. Let's get straight into it. Boom! First up, the Keychron Q6 Pro. This thing is smoother than butter on a hot skillet. Hot swappable switches. RGB brighter than my future, I hope. And the sound? It's like ASMR for your fingers. Next, the GMMK Pro 2. Meme alert! The build quality is so solid I dropped it on purpose and it dented my floor, not the keyboard. Now Royal Kludge RK61. If your wallet's on life support, check out the RK61. Budget, wireless, RGB for days. But wait, there's more. The Ducky 1-3, the legend, the myth, the thok. Before you rage in the comments, yes, I know, everyone's got their favorite. So drop your keyboard flex in the comments, fight me, or politely disagree. And hey, if you learned something, hit like. One like equals one saved keyboard from sticky soda spills. Subscribe for more tech that makes your friends jealous. Poll time, ding sound, best switch, linear, tactile, clicky. Comment below. And if you missed my keyboard ASMR fail, rewind and check that sound out. Did you hear the secret meme? Thanks for watching, stay thocky, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Outro meme. That's all, folks.